Hi everyone, my name is Bowen Ma and I am BC's Parliamentary Secretary for TransLink. I'm here today at TransLink's Sapperton headquarters, and this is where 700 TransLink workers actually work, including those who host a very special program called I Love Transit Camp. And actually, oh, what's this? It says I Love Transit Week on here. Does anybody know who left this behind? Let's see. Oh my gosh. This might be a secret, but this is actually the winners for this year's I Love Transit Camp. And this year's winners for the 10th annual I Love Transit Camp is Marissa Lucas's grade 4-5 class from Royal Heights Elementary School. Congratulations, you are going to I Love Transit Camp.